Have you ever wondered how robots perceive their surroundings or how they make decisions based on this information? Welcome to a fascinating exploration of robotics, a field that combines computer science, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering to create machines that can interact with the world around them. The field of robotics has seen tremendous growth and advancement in the past few decades. From industrial robots that assemble cars, to autonomous drones that deliver packages, to robotic prosthetics that restore mobility. The applications of robotics are as diverse as they are transformative. At the heart of every robot is a computer system, often referred to as the brain. This system processes input from sensors, makes decisions based on this information, and sends signals to the robot's muscles, its motors and actuators. This is a process known as perception, cognition, and action, and it's fundamental to how robots operate. Perception involves collecting data about the world. This might be accomplished with cameras which capture visual information, LiDAR which measures distances using light, or any number of other sensors. These sensors are a robot's eyes and ears, and they provide the raw data that the robot needs to understand its environment. Cognition involves making sense of this data. This is where algorithms and artificial intelligence come into play. Through complex calculations and machine learning, a robot's computer system can interpret sensor data, recognize patterns, make predictions, and ultimately make decisions. Action involves carrying out these decisions. Depending on the robot and its task, this might involve moving an arm, adjusting a wheel, or changing a flight path. It's the final step in the process, and it's what allows robots to interact with the world in meaningful ways. Of course, this is only scratching the surface of what makes a robot tick. There are many more aspects to explore, from the materials used to build robots, to the programming languages used to code them, to the ethical considerations of deploying them in the real world. In summary, robotics is a complex and rapidly evolving field that brings together multiple disciplines to create machines that can perceive, think, and act. It's a field that's shaping our world in countless ways, from the products we use to the jobs we do, to the way we understand ourselves as humans. So the next time you see a robot, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of engineering and computer science that it represents.